Hello everyone, I am Rutuja Gupta, a tarot card reader and a psychic medium. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to see how your career will be in the month of March 2025. Let's get started with your reading. Now you will see a snapshot of 10 seconds where you will have to choose one pile out of 3. Now let's see what we have for pile number 1. Career for pile number 1. Six of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles and the Moon. If you guys are studying or having a business or doing some job, you are going through some emotional stress and emotional pressure. I would say a lot about your career, like what will happen next. Okay, you are very doubtful about your choices that you have made so far. You made a lot of sacrifices just to come where you are currently, and you do not have faith in yourself, like if this will work out or not. You are always in a confusion state, or I would say a doubt state. But that's not recommended, type 1, because you have to trust the process. Things don't happen overnight. You have to trust the process, that it will happen eventually and at the right time. And that's what the real message is. Don't get worried about what is not happening. Just look at what happened good so far. Okay, just look at the things that will really inspire you. You are feeling quite depressed regarding your career, your energy, but don't get worried, because these things will carry your how the way you are thinking. Okay, think positively. Even if things are not in your way, trust that the universe will help you to make things happen. Okay, because we have this Moon card here. Moon is telling me that you are very sensitive, emotionally sensitive about your career. Just trust the process and it will happen all overnight. Okay, don't worry. And you guys are having some sleeping problems also, because at night also you are overworked or you are overburdened, and you are having some problems when you actually sleep. It is because of your work pressure or burden or something. Okay, so let's see what the messages we have from the oracle cards. The Peacock, and we have the Vacation. Okay, see, as I said now, that you guys are very much overburdened or over pressurized, that now is the time for you to take a vacation and go out somewhere, because that's when you will get energized and refresh your energy. Your energy is getting quite low at this time, because of the kind of pressure that you are handling. That's not letting you where you wanted to be, and you are totally confused about your career, what will happen next. But trust me, that things will go very powerfully and very gracefully, that that be able to handle it properly. The success is in your hands, but you'll have to trust the process, trust the universe. That's what the message from the universe is. Peacock, raise your standards. Don't lower your standards when it comes to speaking out loudly. Okay, if you have that authority that you can tell people that yeah, this is correct or this is wrong, tell it frankly. Don't think too much, because you are, see, the Moon card and the Four of Swords are telling me that you are not sleeping properly because you are overthinking a lot. You are very much stressed and worried about your career. That's why they are telling you to take a vacation, get a chill pill, and then come back, so that you won't be having so much stress or burden, or you will feel some refreshed. Also, if you want to change your job, the job change is in your card. Okay, this could be a possibility that after your vacation you will find a new business or new job by yourself, because once we get some refreshment, new ideas come to our mind, and you try to do something new by your standards. When it's come to your work, always speak about yourself, speak to yourself, and speak to the people who are doing wrong to you. Okay, don't get yourself back down. Now let's see what the messages that we have from the rose cards. Rose oracle cards. Pile 1. Okay, this is coming out. Then the crowning. Crowning is telling that initiation, rebirth, a seat at the table. See, you are going to get a new thing like a job or a new business that you wanted to start from a long time. That will happen for sure. But go out and take a vacation first, because that's how you will refresh your energy. You will start something new. And apart from that, I would say that's your rebirth. Okay, and that's how you will get the seat at the table. Okay, don't take yourself back down. Okay, and then we have the rose of Venus, where you will find the through your new job, you will find a new job or new business, you will find a harmony in your life. If you are struggling with your work life balance, so that will also get harmonized. Okay, in your relationship as well, you will get to spend some time with your family, with your friends, with your, if you have a child, with your children also. Okay, so that's it for your reading, pile 1. Lots of love and light to you. So now let's see what is in there for pile 2. I'm shuffling the cards for pile 2. This is your reading. Okay, we have the Lovers card. We have 3 of Cups. And King of Wands. So pile 2, I could see that you are someone who is very passionate and bold about their career. So you are very much passionate about your career, and you do not want to do anything else, because I think you love what you are doing currently. You are in love with your work, your job, or your business, what you are doing currently. Okay, so the second thing is for the page of this 3 of Cups. So 3 of Cups is telling you that whatever you are doing in a job or in a business, you are going to get a success going forward, and that's for sure, because we have this King of Wands. King of Wands is someone who always stands and have that confident attitude, and who actually demands what he wants. Okay, so you are someone who actually make things work out whenever you want it to. Okay, you have that dominating energy, so that's where you need to be careful of. You dominate, there might be some instances in your work that you are dominating people, but at the end you get the results what you needed. Okay, pile 2, you are someone who actually believes in your karma, and you are very much what I would say, you find yourself distinctive when in crowd, or people actually admire you a lot. I could see that, because you have that kind of energy, loving energy, passionate energy. Your aura is very strong, your aura is very positive. People find you very attractive when you just enter in your room. Okay, when in the meetings, if when everyone is sitting there, when you hit the meeting room and everyone is just looking at you, so that's what your aura is. You are not that person who is very submissive, and you take care of your career very well, and you will always try to balance the work and your life. Yeah, that's it for pile 2. Now let's see what we have in the oracle cards for pile 2. The guidance from oracle cards. Okay, we have this card, dreams. Oh, and knowledge. You guys are really really impressive. See, just because you are very much into in your dreams, you try to make it happen. Okay, you have that power. Like जो भी आप सोचोगे वो आप करोगे, इस तरीके की आपकी कोई एक पावर है. ओके, आपके पास बहुत सारा नॉलेज है, उस नॉलेज के बेसिस के ऊपर ही आप अपना अपने आप आपका जो एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है वो बढ़ाते हो. जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव दैट नॉलेज. आपके पास नॉलेज नहीं होगा तो आप कॉन्फिडेंटली कोई काम कर ही नहीं पाओगे. द मेन थिंग दैट यू हैव इज जस्ट योर नॉलेज. सिर्फ आप अपने नॉलेज के दम पर ही आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो. आपको ये नहीं पड़ी है कि मेरा मेरा प्रॉफिट होगा या मेरा नुकसान होगा. नहीं, आपको ये है कि मैं जितना भी ज्यादा नॉलेज ले सकूं ले लूं. मेनी ऑफ यू मस्ट बी जुपिटर पर्सन, आई वुड से. या नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव फ्रॉम द रोज oracle cards. We have this held, श्योरनेस ऑफ द सॉइल, अनसीन हेल्प, सपोर्ट, कम्युनिटी. सी, आपको आपके आजू बाजू के लोगों के साथ बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिलती है. ऑल्सो वी हैव द हीलिंग इज हैपनिंग. यू आर नॉट ब्रोकन, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, इट्स सेफ टू सॉफ्टन. या यू आर सो मच कॉन्फिडेंट एंड टू मच ऑथोरिटेटिव. क्योंकि मैंने अभी पहले भी कहा था कि दैट यू आर डोमिनेटिंग समटाइम्स. सो व्हेन यू आर डोमिनेटिंग, यू डू नॉट you are dominating because you are not actually softened to yourself. अगर आप खुद के साथ सॉफ्ट हो तो आप लोगों के साथ भी सॉफ्ट हो गए. यू आर हाउ यू ट्रीट योर सेल्फ. ओके, दैट वर्ड्स रिफ्लेक्ट आउटवर्ड्स. सो आपको आप खुद के साथ सॉफ्ट होने की जरूरत है, सो दैट you can manage things out. Okay, second thing is ki a lot of support from your community, the people around you. You have the loving people who actually supports and love you, that whatever you do they love to see you. Okay, and that's when you get the trigger in your life that yeah, because of them I have to do this, because of them you are where you have to be. Okay, so just be grateful to the people who are around you. Don't let them go. Okay, yeah, so that's it for pile number 2. Now let's see what we have for pile 3. Reading for pile 3. Okay, we have 2 cards here. 6 of Swords, the Devil, and the Sun. Out of these 3 cards, I could see this is one of the best cards, I would say. The Sun. Okay, I'm getting some sort of submissive energy from pile, similar to pile 1 here, because we have 6 of Swords. You guys have traveled a lot, wherein you have stayed away from your family. That place is actually not where you actually belong, and you have traveled a lot. You might be staying in a foreign place, or you might be staying in a village and your family is staying in a tier 1 city or tier 2 city. That could be also possible. And your work could be like you have to travel a lot. There is one power that actually try to hold you. That is your that's your negative thoughts. Okay, you try to think a lot of negative words about yourself. Criticism is not one thing that you should do. You always say positive things about yourself. Say, I'm blessed, I'm thankful, I'm grateful, because that's when you will attract. You are in a transition कि आपको कहीं पे पहुंचना है, but that's not with your family. You are living alone. You won't get the support from your family, but you have to do it from yourself. You have to stand up for yourself. But again, we have the sun card. You have a successful career, pile 3, and that is damn sure. Damn sure you are going to get successful by this year end. And just don't say anything bad about yourself to you. Okay, that's the most important thing. Let's see what we have in the oracle cards for you, pile number 3. We have Archangel Raphael. Also we have the Legends. Okay, so pile number 3, you have to the Archangel Raphael is saying that you need to provide the healing to your mind, body and spirit, because you are staying alone, you are taking all the responsibilities by yourself, that you have not taken time to listen to your body, listen to your mind. You must meditate, pile number 3, because that's how you will heal your body, your spirit and your soul. If you are good, then you can do good to others. If you are not good to yourself, how can you do it to other people? Okay, right? Now we also have the Legends. Learn from those who inspire you. You must learn the things that actually inspire you. It could be any hobby, it could be a person. If you love dancing, go and dance. If you love gymming, go and do gymming, because of the thing that actually inspire you to do another thing. Like if you are in your job and if you hit the gym daily, then that will actually trigger your mind to do something extra, to do something different than what you are doing. Okay, so now let's see what we have for pile number 3 in this Rose Oracle cards. Pile number 3. 2 cards have pop up: the reunion and the grandmothers. Okay, so pile number 3, if you want the success in your life, you must take help from your ancestors. Okay, because ancestors are going to help you a lot, and they are your roots. Okay, so just trust the wavings, trust their perspective, take the help of your ancestors. Okay, they'll help you to get yourself rooted, because see, I could see that you are not healed person, because we also have that Archangel Raphael, where it is telling you to do your the healing of your mind, spirit and soul. Likewise, if you want to get healed properly, take the blessing from your ancestors. They are the biggest blessers. So that's it for pile number 3. If you are interested in taking the personal readings, then you can contact me via Instagram or through my email ID, and it is already there in the description box. So yeah, see you pile number 3. Thank you for your reading. Lots of love and light to you. Bye bye.